Big breaking news coming in, viewers. ISI's Delhi terror attack plot foiled in 3-month-long operation. ISI agents arrested. Agent was identified as Ansarul Mia Ansari, who arrived in India through Nepal. His Indian associate Akhlaq Azam, a Ranchi resident, was also arrested during the operation. Big update coming in, viewers. This is a big crackdown. Intelligence agencies of India have busted an espionage network linked to Pakistan's ISI. And they have, I repeat, they have thwarted, they have stopped the terror plot aimed at the national capital. It's a 3-month-long operation, resulting in the arrest of 2 key operatives. I repeat, 2 key operatives. I took their names a short while back. 2 accused have now been arrested. Big update coming in right now, viewers on Republic TV. And we'll try to connect to our reporters as well to understand more details. But before we go to that, let's take our viewers through what we know so far about this major terrorist attack averted in Delhi. Now, what we know about is it's a major attack averted in Delhi. Now, ISI planned to target NCR. They planned to target NCR, but they could not do it because the entire plan was exposed. Delhi Police Special Cell led the operations conducted over in a timeline of 3 months. 3 months. Okay, so we also told you that the Pakistani agent got arrested from central Delhi and he tried to escape to Pakistan through Nepal but could not succeed. He took training in Rawalpindi, Pakistan, and Ansari was collecting intel on Indian Army. All right, let's go straight across to my colleague who's joining us right now from our Republic newsroom. A very good morning to you, Madhurima. And this was a 3-month plan which was executed by our intelligence agencies, but they busted it and they have arrested 2 key operatives. Just take our viewers through what was the plan of these accused and how their plan was stopped right on time.
Well, absolutely, Shivangi. It's a big win for our agencies. As you very rightly pointed out, that it was a 3-month-long endeavor, collective endeavor of the intelligence agencies where they nabbed these 2 very crucial ISI agents. What need to be seen here is that they were tasked by Pakistan to make CDs to collect information about Indian military and multiple locations around the national capital. Their intent was to target the national capital. So they were tasked to gather intel about the military, about the national capital, make CDs and send them to Pakistan. But before they could do so, they both were nabbed. One of them was a Nepal origin person and one was from Ranchi in Jharkhand. What needs to be seen here is that this is a major bid that has been foiled, otherwise could have cost a lot to our nation. But yes, after a 3-month-long operation, we now have these 2 people nabbed by our agencies. They are lodged in Tihar jail and will be further persecuted according to Indian law. Shivangi.
Yes. I will come back to you, Madhurima, on the story because it's a huge story and we are telling our viewers that a terror plot has been busted right on time. 3 months. It took 3 months for our security agencies to find these key accused, arrest them. I'll just take our viewers to the latest details which are happening next. Indian intelligence agencies have busted an espionage network linked to Pakistan's ISI, thwarting a terror plot aimed at the national capital. A 3-month-long operation resulted in the arrest of two key operatives. I repeat, 2 key operatives, including a Pakistani spy embedded in the country. I repeat, Pakistani spy embedded in the country, and that spy, that agent, ISI agent, has also been arrested. I will be coming back to the story